write their names, they don't know how to write, they don't know ABC, everything. As in zero. And teacher Boy and I, so we helped together. So we started. Actually, me, I don't teach the alphabets. I only teach the sounds. So it's if you can, the parents of EB, if you can notice them, they actually don't know the ABC. But teacher Boy teaches ABC, but me I don't teach. That's why they don't know A, B to Z. Yeah, I'm sure you know that. Okay. I only teach the sounds because for me, I really believe that, in English, you don't really need to know the ABC letters, but you must know. Sorry. Okay, sorry. I will finish. Okay, so I teach the sounds so they can able to read. So I started from three-letter sounds, so they can be from three-letter words. Then,
following the Montessori method.
Yes,
following the Montessori method.
Yeah.
Say it.
Yeah, actually it's the same. Yeah. And actually I've seen Montessori. Yeah. The phonics. And it's very should I include Montessori with this? Okay. In Montessori, they also focus on sounds. So it starts from like letter S. So the letter S, the sound of letter S is. So I don't teach. Okay, this is letter S. So I teach what's the sound of this letter. This is. And then the letter A. What's the sound of letter A? So the sound is A. And then the letter T. What's the sound of the letter T? So when you blend the sound, you form the word sat. So this student, the small kid, can learn how to read at least one word already with just the sounds. And this is with the Montessori approach.
They want to know a problem that you teach this EP in your first time.
Okay, the problem because I'm foreigner and yes, there's zero knowledge in English, so it's really difficult to understand each other. So I really ask for help from teacher Boy, and so I started with flashcards. So everything was flashcards. Yes, it's like I'm talking to our parents. I started with flashcards, so everything with pictures, like, and in mathematics, I didn't teach the one figure, the digit, 1, 2, 3, I didn't teach the figure, I didn't teach the digits, I teach the objects, like apple. How many apples are there? 1. So they have to count. They don't just need to, okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. No. You show the object and then you ask the student to count it. Okay, 1 apple. And then the other, 1, 2 apples. So you don't show the figure or the digit 1, 2. No. So that's how we started. I started. So just the objects, and then I introduced the digits. The digit 1, then 2, and then 3, 4, and so on. And then actually some of the students now they can count up to 100. Yeah. And then one of the difficulties is until now is the language barrier. Yeah, it's still the language because they're still used with the Thai, and so it's still the same pictures, and then so I can say that when I teach now it must be like story. So it must be always story like I saw an apple like this, and then you show a picture. So I saw an apple. So it's like they will be familiarized with the word and with the object. So it's actually familiarization, and then as they get familiarized with the words and with the objects, and then they will absorb it, and then it will be easier for them to catch up the content or the whole the idea. Actually, now I did some.
คุณสัมภาษณ์
Usually I do this at health class.
สลับเลย
I usually do this at health class, so I ask them an activities like they will tell me if it's true or false. So actually, I'm not expecting them to answer me correctly. I just want to know if they can comprehend me, if they can comprehend my statements. So I will have statements. So, sorry.
ไม่อ่านเลยอากาศดวงคนฟัง
I give a copy.
break
Sorry.
เบรกซะมั้งเบรกมั้ง
เบรก
จริงๆแล้วเขาเล่าเกี่ยวกับ
การส
เขา
อน
สอนในห้องให้ฟังนะครั้งแรกที่เขาพูดให้ฟังว่าการสอนของเขาเนี่ยเขาไม่ใช่จะสอนว่าเหมือนที่เราเคยเรียนมาคือ A B C D ใช่ไหมคะเราสอนให้เด็กอ่านว่า A B C D E F G H I J Z เราก็ถือว่าเด็กจำได้แล้วแต่เขาจะสอนเกี่ยวกับโฟนิติกคือเสียงอย่างเช่น เราบอกเด็กว่า B แต่เขาจะบอกว่าเบิร์ดเด็กก็จะจำเสียงเบิร์ดใช่ไหมคะพอไปรวมกับ IN ที่เป็นอินน่ะเบิร์ดอินอะไรอย่างเงี้ยเด็กก็จะลิงก์เสียงไปได้ก็จะอ่านได้ว่าบินพอเขาสอน M เราก็จะบอกเด็กว่า M จริงๆแล้วชื่อของมันคือ M แต่เสียงของมันก็คือเบิร์ดอะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะแล้วก็ไปผสมเอาแล้วในสุดเด็กเขาก็จะสามารถอ่านภาษาได้เขาเพราะว่าเขาไม่ได้จำว่า A เท่ากับสระอาอะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะเขาจะยังเขียนได้เพราะฉะนั้นเขาเล่าให้ฟังแล้วเขาก็เล่าให้ฟังว่าที่เขาสอนในห้องเขาจะใช้ภาพไม่เป็นไรค่ะเขาจะใช้ภาพการเล่านิทานหรืออะไรก็แล้วแต่ใช้ภาพประกอบแล้วก็จะเด็กก็จะจำคอนเซ็ปต์ได้เมื่อกี้เขาพูดเกี่ยวกับการที่เขาสอนในห้องค่ะ
ได้นะ
ที่โอเค thank you very much
โอเคนะ
แล้ว
ยกมือหน่อย
Thank you very